Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is File Storing App Using Cloud Database. Abstract. In the contemporary digital landscape, the integration of cloud-based solution into the mobile application has become paramount. And the storing and managing images and file efficiently in the crucial aspect of modern mobile app development. The proliferation of multimedia content and the need for efficient storage and retrieval have made the cloud database an essential component of modern Android applications. Firebase security rules enable developers to control who can access and manipulate the storing the data, ensuring the data privacy and security. This abstract explores the process of storing images and files in a cloud-based database, specifically Firebase within an Android application. Flow diagram of our project. First of all, user or register or login. User going to register or login. If your new user means register or old user means login. User register login as an email ID and password. In the in main pages, first offer login. After the login, first of all main pages. That means retrieve all the folders from the Firebase database. If you example birthday means then birthday folder separately, family folder separately, tour package tour folder separately. Then if you want to create a new folder means then click the plus icon below the floating action button of the project. Then click the floating action button. Then click add the new folder. Then view or retrieve images. If you click the family or for birthday means like that means if you click the example folder, then go to the next viewing the files of the folder. Then click the add image files or view the files, that view the files in the database. In the Firebase database, if you have no account means first of all register or then you have account means the login. Is authentication using to find user register and login to authenticate. Then store the data in the Firebase data storage. Then all the data are stored in the Firestore. Now this is our first page of our project app. Then this is a login screen. Then this is a sign up screen. If sign up means just enter the name and details. Name. For example, I enter James. Enter the name James. Mobile number. Password is 123456. Then you click sign up. See here, I enter 5-digit only password means then give password is invalid. Password should be at least 6 character. So this is a error handling the password. In case if you are enter the mail ID wrong mail ID, for example the email address is badly formatted. So then we go to sign up. Then click sign up. Then click sign up. See here, register successfully. The first page is closed. If you want to save the Google Meets, then click the save button. Otherwise, not now. Then click the plus icon. Add icon with the floating action button. If you want to create the folder means just create birthday like. Then creating the birthday. Then if you want to go to add the 5 minutes, if you somebody to click the 5 minutes, just then choose the file. Example fruits, then click upload. Upload successfully. Back, then if you want to click another file, then choose alpha image, then click upload. Wait for the upload successfully. Then back, then creating images for your UID like that. If you want to store all the files,